Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this step-by-step tech tutorial, we're going to reveal to you how you can move pages in your Notion workspace. For example, if you'd like to keep your workspace well organized and keep a better overview. So let us show you how to do that really quickly. It is actually very simple and works 100% intuitively, guys. So head over to Notion, log into your account, select your workspace here in the top left. And after that, pay attention to that list of associated pages and databases here in your workspace. So for the sake of this tutorial, guys, let me, for example, move that test page here. All you will need to do is left click on it, hold it to your left mouse, and after that simply move the page where you would like to locate it. For example, you may move it to another page or to a database, for example. Let's say I would like to move it to that page here. And if you release it above the page, just like that, it will become a sub-page of the other page, just like that. You may remove it from there if you like by repeating the same process by left clicking on it, moving it to a different location. If you move it between two pages, for example, and release it there, it will become a single page like that here. So that's basically how we do it, guys. It is super simple. Alternatively, you may right click on the given page, hover your mouse over move to here, or use the shortcut control up, arrow up and P, or shift. Sorry, it's the shift icon. And left click on it and simply choose your new location here to move it to your, let's say I move it to that page here. And as you can see, the page has been moved to its new location. And that's it, guys. That's how it works. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and we'll see you next time on our channel.